This audio is used for the This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Way back in the 70s, a concert featuring a popular rock band comprising 70 members drew in over 1,500 people to the town's square. Many attendees were excited to see their favorite musicians perform live and danced along to their hits, including everything from their album, everything to their hits, including everything from hits, including it along to their hits, and danced along to their hits, including everything from their album, 70 Maniacs from the 70s. However, the large crowd caused some safety concerns, and the local police had to intervene to ensure everyone's well-being. Despite the chaos, the concert-goers had a fantastic time, and some still reminisce about the event today. During an interview with a musician who rose to fame in the 70s, he shared a funny story from his early days on tour. He recalled how, during one show, he forgot the lyrics to a song and ended up ad-libbing, saying, "I'm going to sing something new now." The audience loved the unexpected twist, and the impromptu line ended up becoming a famous catchphrase associated with the artist. Ironically, the fame of the catchphrase outlasted that of the musician, who hasn't been heard from since the early 80s. A focus group was conducted to gather feedback on a new commercial for a popular shoe store called Shoe Betcha, named after a throwaway line from Fox TV's Married with Children, starring the inimitable Ed O'Neill. The ad featured a young athlete running through various obstacles while saying, quote, "Shoe betcha I'm gonna crush this course," unquote. The participants generally found the commercial motivating and inspiring, but some suggested that the line sounded too scripted and could be improved by making it sound more natural. Alternate lines such as, quote, "Shoe betcha I'm gonna run around this track a few times and get a really good time," unquote, were also rejected as being, well, pretty boring. Here's a transcriber tidbit for you. Twice in this audio I've pronounced the words, quote, "going to," unquote, as, quote, "gonna," unquote. In GoTranscript's clean verbatim style, quote, "going to," unquote, is the correct transcription. However, in the two quotes above, I'd prefer you use, quote, "gonna," unquote, because that's what the speaker actually says. However, unless client instructions say otherwise, normally it's better to say, quote, "going to," unquote, and you can quote me on that.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.